our veggies: capsicums, broccolis, chopped carrots, lemongrass, black pepper, and if you can see, there are all the vegetables being mixed together. Yeah, forgot. There is cherry tomatoes inside as well. So I repeat again, it's broccoli, carrot, cherry tomatoes, lemongrass, and everything are being mixed. Now in the same pan, add the preferred amount of your oil. And I'm mixing the fresh blended orange puree. This is a fresh orange. You can take it about 1 piece of orange, fresh grounded black pepper. If you want it to be spicy, you can add it more. Mix it everything nicely. Yep, see that? And I'm adding full cream milk, about 3 tablespoons. This is to enhance the richness of the paste, or I would say the gravy, right? If you would like to add whipping cream, or you would just like to leave it just like this without the milk, it's totally fine. Put it in simmer, let it boil. Half a tablespoon of Himalayan rock salt. It's very creamy. I'm adding vegan cheese here. I'm just using 1 piece of cheese, which I tear it into pieces. Basically, this is to make sure the gravy is getting thickened, and it's also give us, the creamier taste, like the carbonara. But this is not a carbonara though. Okay, so I'm adding boiled noodles right now. Whatever noodles that you have, it's spaghetti, it's pasta, fettuccine, or whatever, just add it. And I'm mixing all the vegetables which we have stir-fried earlier. So give all of it a gentle and a nice mix. Have you ever tasted an orange pasta? I'm sure you don't. Now this is the time for you to taste it. And don't forget, please make sure you find a well-ripened orange. In this dish, if you can see, orange is a very good fruit which enhances the texture of our skin. It's a good antioxidant. It really helps our immune system better. Look at that. What's that? That's parsley leaves. Yeah, so mix everything together. This dish is perfect for vegans or vegetarians. And whoever who is on diet right now, if you're craving for something healthy yet creamy, nicer, this is a perfect dish. So now, I guess our dish is ready. Wow, look at that. Italian orange based pasta.